What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Bullish Lifestyle Podcast, episode 12. We back up in here, y'all. We got a special story today.
Special story.
Unfortunately, Nisha went through a bad experience with it. You want to talk about that?
Yeah, so we know prop firms out there. We think we trust them. We think we're able to, show them that you're be a profitable trader, you're risking correctly, stuff like that. So, Alpha prop firm, we know, kind of said it in a little bit in the Discord, but they didn't really get into debt with it. So this is for them, guys. Alpha trader, I would stay away from alpha prop firm. I've had my experience where I am not either getting my affiliate or my payouts, guys. So, I've been waiting for months now. So people who are posting that they're getting these payouts, I don't know how they are. Because if I didn't, how are you? So, FTMO was the same situation. I promoted them, you know what I mean? I was affiliate with them. And so it's like, they turn their back on you as well. So FTMO, Alpha, I don't know any other prop firms that don't pay out, guys. So I'm just trying to, bring the awareness out that you can't trust certain prop firms, and I've already been through it twice. So, it's just like crazy because to me, like, you show them you be profitable and you make all this money for no reason.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, I got this, money coming, blah, you get so excited and you just get let down, and that kind of brings you to like, damn, should I quit trading? Some people would, just buy off that, or, you think twice about it. So I just want to bring that awareness to people. Do not use Alpha Trader. I'm telling you this now. I wouldn't be putting them out if it wasn't true. I'm speaking the truth, guys. So just be aware of what prop firms you're going to use, guys. I know I promoted them, and so I'm being let down as well. So I apologize for the people who, have an account with them. Unfortunately, you can put in a ticket and try to get your money back, but it's no guarantees. But you can leave a comment down below if you've ever gotten paid from Alpha, or if they've given you, excuses just like they did to me. So, what do you feel about that, T?
The whole prop firm situation, it's for beginner traders, when they hear about this new idea, I can see where it can be. It's really exciting, because not a lot of people have the access to, especially starting out. Not everybody just has $10,000 to throw into account, 100K. So the idea of prop firms is really enticing to beginner traders. You're speaking from existence, because I went through that whole situation with the Forex Funder, and trading is already hard. Mm-hmm. It's already difficult. Yeah. Learning how to trade is already difficult. Having to listen to people who don't believe in you, that's already hard enough. You know what I mean? Trading as a career is already hard enough. So the fact that you're also dealing with people who are not, prop firms that aren't paying you, that just adds stress to shit that's already difficult.
Yeah.
So I it's unfortunate, and I hate that, these organizations are doing these to people.
Right.
People who really are putting their time, money, and effort into these certain things, and they're not getting the stuff that they paid for, because it's also not cheap either. Some of these, you pay a couple $100 for the evaluations. Yeah. I'm sure you paid a couple $100 for the evaluation. Yeah. And then it's just overall suspect. Mm-hmm. I think majority of the prop firms in the Forex space is you have to do your research.
You gotta do it.
I don't want to just say don't, because there very much could be one out there who is honest and shows that integrity. But from what I've seen, it's like even with the Forex Funder, when I look at these people who are getting payouts.
I forgot about Forex Funder. That's true.
Yeah, when I would look at these, because they'll post people who are getting payouts, I would let me just see what these people look like. And I clicked on their profile, none of them look like real people. Right. So it was just all rip. It's a lot. It's all bots, and it just looks fishy business. So if you are a beginner trader, instead of this is not financial advice. This is just something that I'm saying. We're not financial advisors. This is just our opinion. If you are a beginner trader, I would, make sure that you are, and this kind of just segues into what we want to talk about, is the 3 keys to becoming profitable. The first one is you want to have risk management. Before you even put $1 in the market, you want to make sure that you are practicing risk management on demo. You know what I mean? You want to only target 1 to 3, 1 to 4 setups. You want that basically means that, you want to only risk $10 if you're going to make like $30 for that. Obviously, probably trading with more or less, but risk management is very important. I would trade with your own money on live. Once you see that you're 6 months profitable on demo, I would just worry about risk management, because one thing I've learned is we trade because we want to make money.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? And if you don't have money, then you're not gonna make money. You need money to make money. So if you don't got no money because you over leveraging, you know what I mean? You don't even have no money to grow your account.
Right, too, and starting off with a live account, you can put $100 in there and use this account to like a savings account, right? So if you get paid, throw 50 in there. If you get paid, throw 100 in there. You know what I mean? It's your savings account. But also using proper risk management, only using 1 or 2%, and taking 1 trade a day. We trade New York, just get up early, go about your day after the trade. Don't be chasing the markets too, because that will set you back on your account. So taking 1 trade, risking only 1%, guys. And so that is key too, because using your account as a savings account, you build that money, so you can trade, you have more capital, more leverage you can use. So
absolutely.
And so the new traders out there, I honestly would say, we did have, I think it was on episode 6, we talked about these things, that either we prefer a live or a funded, right? So now that I'm dealing with these prop firms and they're not paying us, using that live account really comes first now.
Yeah.
It's a priority to have that live now. Just use it as a savings account. So yeah, that's real major.
Absolutely. I would say, so number 2, major key is your mindset. You want to make sure you have a positive growth mindset within the trading space. You don't want to, a way to kind of know if you don't have the right mind is if you're greedy, or you feel like you are
chasing the markets.
You're chasing the markets, or if you feel like if you're in the trade and you feel nervous, you get those butterflies in your stomach, you're probably leveraging too much money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because if you have $1,000 account and you just put 75% on the line, of course you're going to be, heartbeating, scared, because you just put majority of your account on the line. That's why it's important to risk low and have confidence, because if you lose, your losses will be, because you're gonna lose. Nobody's 100%. You're gonna lose, but your wins are gonna be so big that your losses are not even gonna matter. You know what I mean? If you lose $100, but you make 2,000, you know what I mean? It's like you're not even worried about the loss that you just took. But mindset is very important. Make sure you have a healthy mindset. Make sure that you're not in this to get rich quick, because you can get rich quick, but just not, off of just pure. You don't want to go in here like you're gambling. You want to think about this long term. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Like journal every win, every loss, what went wrong, what went right. And when you do lose, you don't want to, give up. If you were gonna give up, you should never even start it.
Right. Yeah, that's true too. A lot of people give up, and I'm like, why?
You 30%, 40% already, you done did all this. You know what I mean? See it through.
Yes, you gotta see it through and think about that future, because 5 years from now, you can be so profitable and so having that money where to the point you could quit your job and be like, damn, you would never know if you would have stuck to it being consistent, what would happen.
Literally. And lastly, I would say strategy. Make sure you have a profitable strategy. I think on TradingView, it has a section where you can you can go back and choose. you can click like a random bar, and it'll take you to a random bar where you can back test, and just see if your strategy works. You know, curate a strategy, make sure it's profitable, and just stick to the plan. You know what I mean? Don't do anything outside of your plan. Don't trade with your emotions. It's okay to be happy, you know, when you do win, but don't let that be. Focus on the process, not the outcome. You know what I mean? And you're gonna be very well in the long term.
Long term success is an investment, guys. So thinking about holding like a crypto, it's the same thing, you know. It takes time.
Absolutely. But if you guys gain some knowledge, some gain from us today, make sure you drop that like button and subscribe. We're gonna keep doing these for y'all.
Yep, it's good. Episode 12, Bullish Lifestyle. Let's get it.